Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
What is going on, guys? It has been a minute since I talked to you guys and updated you guys on that 2001 Mustang Bullitt that we were working on previously with the valve covers. We painted the valve covers, started doing the cams. Anyways, his buddy was supposed to come and help him install the cams, but his buddy was, taking too long, had his own life, so he has to do his own things. Didn't have time to come help him. Weeks went by, months went by, and my buddy, he wanted to have his car done. He wanted his car cammed. So he actually ended up taking it to a local shop, having it done there, and dynoed there as well. So his car is dynoed and everything. I need to get mine dynoed still, so his car is definitely gonna be making more power, plus it is a Bullitt. Apparently he made 300 horsepower to the wheels, so that's actually really solid. That's roughly what I'm looking for. Granted, he has a Bullitt intake, so he's gonna have better airflow, but hopefully I'm close. So yeah, that's awesome. Good numbers. That's promising numbers for me for when I get mine tuned. He's actually going to be bringing it by, and we're going to listen to it. He says he's not very happy with how it sounds. He is basically saying the power's good, but it doesn't have the chop he's looking for. That nice cam sound that he is looking for. I think he's dumb. Benny, if you're watching this, I think it's gonna sound good. Granted, I haven't heard it yet, so when it gets here, I'll be the determining factor on how it sounds. My car sounds pretty good, sounds pretty cammed. I would think yours would be similar. You have the same exact cams as I have, the stage 2 comp cams. Granted, my car looks like crap right now. Still waiting on the bumper. Hopefully, I should be getting the bumper back, honestly, within the next couple days. Shouldn't be too long. The guy said it would take about until the end of next week, and is already that next week, and it is Wednesday, so hopefully Thursday or Friday will be done, and we will definitely be putting that back on, and then I'll be doing some more 2-valve content. But as of right now, no 2-valve content for me. The only 2-valve content you guys are gonna be getting is the Mustang Bullitt and maybe the Coyote, but really nothing done to the Coyote yet. Like I said, leave comments down below on what you guys think I should do to maybe the Coyote. Nothing crazy, but give me some comments. I kind of want to wrap the roof of vinyl black. I think that'd be cool, be easy, do it myself, maybe show you guys how to do it. Do that, and I was also thinking about maybe possibly painting the brake calipers. I want to do yellow, won't be any other color but yellow, otherwise let's keep it stock. Maybe window tint as well, nothing crazy. Until I'm making some good money, maybe making some good YouTube money, then I'll start doing some crazy stuff to that car, and I'll buy a different car as a daily. So let me know, guys, what you think I should do. Right now, waiting on Benny, and here he is actually right here. Here he is. Let's hear it. That sounds cammed. That sounds pretty good. Bro, that sounds good. Yeah, I was talking to the camera.
It was just me there at the time.
Yeah, that sounds solid.
I guess you hear it actually.
It's clean, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, let me see how the valve covers look in there.
Got all smudgy.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Yeah. I dig it. Does it feel fast?
It's different.
Definitely fast.
I mean, I gotta drive it more.
Yeah. You didn't even get on it yet, really.
No, I haven't. I just drove it here and babied it all the way here.
Those coil packs look good.
They do. I like it. I'm happy with it.
your cams in case you want to go back to stock. You can sell those to some dude who has a SN95.
Yeah.
Who has a PI head swap. Then they might want those cams. Are those the ones you didn't need?
That's the stock ones.
Definitely think the car sounds good. Like I said, I'll be the determining factor, and it definitely sounds cam. So leave a comment down below on if you guys think that thing sounds good. It sounds healthy. I'm glad he got it dyno tuned and everything. I'm glad he got it back. So now me and him are both cammed. We'll be cruising around. So that's sweet. You guys will definitely see some more content with this car. Now it's all done. He can actually drive it again. So I know he's been depressed about that because he loves driving that car and he hasn't driven it in a few months because it's been down. Mine only took a week. So, but whatever. Yeah, guys, leave a comment down below on if you guys think this car sounds dope. Sounds good. Oh yeah. There he goes. God damn, that's one way to piss off the neighbors. Anyways, guys, so that is it. It's a very short video, just an update on that car, because I've had comments on my previous video on how that car is doing. Not on my previous video, but on the previous Bullitt video, which was a few videos ago. But I've had comments asking how that car is doing. It's doing good, it's all done. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content. More Bullitt content, more 2-valve content, you name it. And without further ado, guys, have a good day and keep on keeping on. Peace out.